we're going to shoot Rue doing what she does best, which is destruction and mayhem. She got a hold of one of Mandy's socks earlier, and she's chewing the little bitty bits. So, let's see what she's doing. Hi, Guilty. What are you doing? What's that? That's a no-no toy is what that is. Oh no. Yeah, don't look so sweet and innocent. Rue. Little tail wagging like she didn't do anything wrong. Oh, can I have that? Oh, guess not. Guess not. Guess not. I see how it is. Hi. Can I have your baby? Oh, guess not. Ow. Can I have your baby? Don't hurt me. Ow. No, this is mine. This is mine. Ow. This is mine. Oh, ow. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that tuck. Let it go. Let it go. Oh, that's how it's gonna be. Ooh. Oh. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? I don't know. Where'd it go? What'd you do with it? I don't have it. She's kind of boring. You can turn it off. She's pretty boring right now.